In this video, I'm going to show you how to change lot size in cTrader Mobile. Now to do this, it depends on where you are currently trading. So if you are on the charts at the bottom like this, as you can see, you have the buy and sell buttons at the very bottom of your chart. And then in the middle, you can see there's lots. So if you tap on that, you could either type it in manually like this. So if I change from 1 to 2 lots like this, it's going to work. Or I could also press the arrow down inside the lots bar. And as you can see, it's going to allow me to basically tap on a number and it's going to buy or sell that amount of lots. That is the first way you can change lot size. However, if you're trading on the trade tab at the bottom left, and you are, for example, trying to open something like a position, so if I go and tap on the sell or buy buttons, it's going to open this place order over here. But if I tap on a specific asset, it's going to open this quick trader again, where of course I can change lot size here in the middle yet again. So if I do 5 over here, there we go. As you can see, there's quantity in lots. You can change this if you want to as well, okay? So that's how to do that. But if you are in the main order window, so either this one when you tap buy or sell next to an asset, or when you tap on a new order at the bottom right, if you are on this screen here, it says quantity, and this quantity over here is actually, of course, the lot size. So we can go ahead and set the quantity. As you can see, it says quantity lots, and you can of course change it over here as well. And that way you can change your lot size in cTrader Mobile all the possible ways. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.